Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Envato download history. Right, so first up, I would like to answer the question, is it possible? Well, it is not. Okay, it is not possible to selectively delete or clear individual items from your download or purchase history because Envato right here permanently preserves this record on their servers to verify your commercial active licenses and track legal usage rights. So when you go ahead over to your profile right here, click on My Downloads or even Workspace. Let's say My Downloads and Workspace right here. Under My Downloads, you cannot delete them. And when you go ahead over to your workspaces, you can just click on it and then click on Delete right here under Actions. But this will only delete them from the project view, not from your master profile account history. All right. So the only way to completely wipe your download or purchase history from Envato's backend system is to permanently close and delete your entire Envato account. If you wish to continue or proceed with the deletion process of your account, just be extremely careful, as this action is reversible and causes major consequences. Number one, you will lose the ability to re-download any files you have ever paid or saved. You'll no longer receive item updates or developer support for any themes or plugins purchased via Envato Market. And any unspent monetary account credits will be permanently lost as well. And that is how you delete an Envato download history. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.